Hello guys, my name is Dan and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and today we are replacing the drain plugs on my 996 Turbo, and I'll show you why. This one I got it from a passenger side. I unbolted and it was okay. It was still stuck, but the one that is really stuck is on the driver's side. So as you can see, whoever did the oil change, they forgot to put a washer. There should be a washer between. The washer is missing. That's why for me it was really hard to unbolt that, I assume. So this is the new one that I'm replacing with, and there is a washer, and I'll show you now what I actually used to unbolt that, because the driver's side was so stuck. So when you do an oil change, it's also recommend to drain the oil from the tanks, and in this location, as you can see, there is a drain plug. It's on both sides, and sometimes this plug is really stuck. And in the past probably a year or so, I tried to actually remove that bolt, but I never bothered. I said, whatever, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. But today I said, you know what, let's give it a try and try to unbolt that from the drain tank. So what I did, this is how I actually done when this bolt is stuck and you cannot remove it. I'll show you what I did, and it might help you when you do it on your car. So basically what I did, I used a bar from my jack. As you can see, there's a hole, and obviously that goes right inside. And what do we have? It's the bit socket goes right on top, the hex, and this is 8mm hex bit socket that I purchased from local store. I think it was Pep Boys, I believe. It's 8mm, which is 3/8 in drive. Let's see if there is a washer. So oil will drain, and let's see, we're gonna use the towel. So we are going to put new washer with the new plug. Let's put this back in. I'm using actually old microfiber towel that I had laying around. So we're basically gonna plug this, and I'll make sure there's actually no washer inside, because you never know. Yep, no washer. We don't need that one, so we're going to put this back in, and we're gonna tighten this, and that's it. We're done replacing that. And also I forgot to tell you that the reason why you want to replace that or drain the oil to do it every oil change is because you don't want that bolt, that plug, to be really stuck where, you know, it strips or whatever, because when you take that bolt, when you take that plug out, that if you look through the hole, there is actually a bolt that it's holding the turbo, believe it or not. So I don't know if it's holding the turbo or it's holding to something, but if you want to get the turbo off the car, you want to replace that turbo, you have to take that bolt out from, you know, going through the tank. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to smash that sub button, and more videos coming soon. Thanks.